ยูไทยฮัมบพรองนิชิโดกนาไลดูเรดิโอกับชัม94.3 FM you have noticed the largest radio network and proud to be local so dinini Sunday Divine ha Naurai Dong the handsome actor Shivraj has new and to ha Gupshup studio ha okay welcome Klai Ladu Jutai
Thai Danvi Nishiang ke invite Cleven Cleda or the Nishini Radio Gopsub ni Truzang Krip Rajirona ani Hamzoma Kasamoya Faladu.
And doha Shingladu ki nini giving interest nadi ha both hi. Before that acting line ha bidi phaiba bokhe jini ni kshakle shines kala hamnamu.
Acting Cleda ang video shoot claima bude ang bawo maya chikabo ang frang ang acting ha interest dong grauken tiba school ni drama ha brawe short skits pera na klaidu ode he Delhi School of Drama from ang workshop po klaika oleni interest ha phalangi ang duha video shoot klaiba se
and doha Shingladu about acting nadi habu interest dong
danvi acting ke hager yang given habu interest dong like ani adventure sports brand ha fin luguro travel climber hiking trekking camping program ha ani interest dong
acha dhaulining acting ni experience na first time ning bidi klaika so exactly share click la hamnang
sedang album tidak Islam ya ani debut ang movie ni France Islam ba NL production under masih movie by goba hamzomani azang tidak oraha ani experience hamsini hamka ang bodai malawli jasi experience bania chikabo given kesling ba mainka ar given artist kudu jangmo ang khushi tang falai ba mainka
and doha next holining Shivraj ke Shingladu that nini parents ibu acting career ha full support klaiduna klaiyak
definitely ani parents era ha support klaidu especially ami hamsiding support klaiwe aro parents support giri kala everyone khushi ang tangbo dong fiamu even ani parents ba ani video ke knife da bosi judge klaidu ba aspa masimani mistake nukhach ke bo next video hai deklai erade nini ele night hoya kha erade nini ele hamya kha boren ke guidance for itu ar hamsening mane positive response mind do bar jum
then you are really lucky to have your supportive parents and dohani cushion jakha Bollywood ha nini favorite actor and actress heritage
ani favorite actor and actress Bollywood ala ang actor ni bisingala Nawazuddin Siddiqui ke hamjaudu ode actress ni bisingala Amy Jackson jang Jacqueline Fernandez ke hamjaudu
so Bollywood ni kilame chika and doha local ha herikining ta jaudu
Jindi Masan bisingala actor ni bisinga ang Nandip Bodojang Sarjit ke jaudu ode actress ni bisinga de Bangbi ani Marmi dong ode Mami Priya Hujai ode dugadang hala ang Nilita langta sake abo hamjaudu
and doha feeling given cushion Shingladu so jani video album ke night da ning video react live into
Journey video ke knife in dauli given the react play doya which kade shooting hanin clip jadi mitithar ladu ang boble chikade chikabo video knife in ben yauna jar ke hamsin gamang ladu sangin sangtham ni shoot ha last video ha 2-3 minute haning jampin pa ki noi hamsin gamang fin ladu ode orani mistake jaiba butu ke saikhu mai ladu ode sine ani reaction de jadaba hole mus given react ang play do
and to have ki fir soli ning shingpin ladu ki nini journey hamdau theba video nadi chihi
ani hamdau thoiba video la ani kre video ko ang de hamjau ladu chikabo boni bisinga ang hamjau tau thoyebla latest release klaya bull production ni under ha bo kha ani gibir ora marmi jang ani video dongba boni ani video ang ani favorite chibuto
acha so any upcoming project you would like to share with us
ani upcoming project de bangbi chikabo dua somai hamse mili from fiobani shoot play fia ho ang asa jadu next year ha babu suni shakang ha ani kadeng masi video file me che ang asa jaladu madai khaso damu sidoda khuda jaya khade ang busuni shakang ang masi video labu hi fine mu hi ang asa jaladu
all the best and ang John to job video nikla hi
thank you so much Danvi
and to ha jini interview ki running jamri ladu so thank you so much Shivraj ning anti ni shomai rida da interview riba ni so ani gite phang ode radio gupshup ni gite phang hamjoma khashoma
thank you so much Danvi ang ke invite Cleven Clayden Indian radio gupshup ha ode ang rajirone masi message ma mijing ladu je sini hamjoma khashoma jang ode korosoni madai ni khashoma jang lening jing sukangi thangphalang nang blaidu si support play arranging ba blaidu si hamba bai ko phalanang ode nisi rajiro ke entertain play phalang nang ode che ani interview karan sajam ga jutai
and knahining dongline radio gupshup 94.3 FM we are proud to be local Jutai